LaserStar at JCK Las Vegas 2012. I'm Orland Hayes, and I'm here with Patrick Davis of Fast Fix Jewelry and Watch Repair in San Diego, California. Patrick has been a LaserStar customer since 15 years ago. Right now he has 2 laser welders. And Patrick, tell us about Fast Fix Jewelry and your business in San Diego.
Well, we've been in business for 16 years, and we purchased our first laser machine 15 years ago. And I found that with the laser machine, we have grown, our business has grown around the machine to where 80% of our jewelry repair is used on the laser machine. And now I'm doing medical device equipment. We're around the industrial area where we have medical companies that call on the phone and ask if we do medical devices. And they bring in all types of metal, titanium, stainless steel. And I have grown to be a jeweler and I guess you could say an engineer.
Southern California, here he comes.
That's right.
Fast Fix Jewelry, San Diego, California.